hot dog.
Yeah.
Come here.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, how's space?
Back up. Back up, girl.
You want me to?
A quick little thing. Hey, hot dog.
Yeah.
Wind it up.
Why not?
Wind it up. Wind it up. Come on, wind it. Oh, I hear the motor racing.
That's just me revving it up.
Shake it once.
Shake.
Shake it twice. Shake it 'cause it looks so nice. Shake your booty. Shake it. Turn around and show you. Shake your tail feathers. Shake them. Give us that cricket dance.
Hey, House Space, how you doing?
Now back up. You get too close.
How you doing, House Space?
Don't want the smell to come too close.
We're at the doctor's office, and
Even for the day, it's sunset.
she had her doctor's appointment today. New doctor, very nice guy.
And
And I think, well, and what?
And
Well, we had a good day today. It's a nice day.
she stays so speechless, boys.
I think it must be like in the 60s. It's a nice day today, breezy and nice. Oh, I just saw a bird fly by.
Bounce like a bunny.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Back up so I can see you shake.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Bounce. Bounce your feet. Bounce your feet. Real fast. In circles. All right, say bye to everybody.
Hey, bye, House Mates. We're acting crazy today. Bye-bye.